Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can make money on Kick. So first, what is Kick? So Kick is a streaming platform which at its core presents a similar offering to Twitch, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, and so on. So viewers can subscribe to a creator's channel, send tips, and participate in an HD quality live stream. So it is currently in beta mode. So here's how you can make money on Kick. So first, you can make money on Kick by being an affiliate on your Kick. So to join Kick's affiliate program, you need to have 75 followers and 5 total stream hours. And on the other hand, Twitch requires a slightly higher threshold for monetization. So to become a Twitch affiliate, for example, you need to have streamed at least 500 minutes. It is more than 800 hours in the past 30 days. And once you become a Kick affiliate, you can start charging people for subscription to your channel. So the average cost of a Kick subscription is around $4.99 per month. So if you have got 1,000 followers, you are looking at roughly 4,750 once Kick takes their slice of the pie. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.